All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So yeah, it's time to go ahead and unbox and share my white iPhone 15 Pro. Really was excited about the 15 Pro Max, but I got to try them both and make a decision. So I was able to. This phone is sold out everywhere, but I was able to get one. I actually ordered this, and I got a 15 Pro in the titanium white. And I saw this in person, folks. And I thought, again, I saw all the colors. Oh my gosh. I saw all the colors in person. And once I saw the white and the blue, they didn't have any of the whites when I walked. Because remember, I got this one. I just was able to walk into the store and just grab it. This was the only one in the store. And, I just said, I'm going to buy it. So I decided to get it. But when I saw this white, oh my gosh, it's, I'm not gonna say it's perfect, but I'm talking about this color in person turned out to be the one for me. And look, it's got the brushed aluminum sides or titanium sides. It is just phenomenal. It is great, man. And I said to myself, I gotta get this white and I gotta get it in a Pro, because I like to be able to use my products with one hand most of the time. Now, I know I got big hands, folks. I know it. People always say, well, you should get the bigger one. That's just people think because you have big hands, you like to have the biggest device all the time. But for daily use and regular use, this is the perfect size. 6 to 6.1 is the perfect phone size for me. And this is really just a show and tell of the device itself. Wow, folks, this thing is beautiful in person. I don't know how well the camera is picking it up. I'm not using my Sigma lens. I'm actually using my Xperia, my S23 Ultra to record this video. So we'll see how it turns out. But wow, man, I'm telling you, this phone looks so beautiful in person. And I'm team no case. Gonna put a tempered glass on like I always do, but I just wanted to show you this bad boy. Oh, it is just so clean and it's velvety. It's just so, I don't know what it is. It's so nice, man. I love the sides. It's like the perfect phone. And then you pair it with a beautiful case. Ooh, I mean, we're talking about a nice setup, folks. So I wanted to go ahead and show you that I do have the 15 Pro in, the 6.1. Been waiting to get this, man. I got it overnighted. I bought this like yesterday and it's here already. So I'm super excited about it. Loving that, I get the right size for me. I really like it. Shout out to Mims. He went with the small natural version. And I saw the natural version in person. Like I was hyped, like, oh man. When I saw the announcement, I was like, oh yeah, this is going to be the one. Because, I have the other phones, like I have the Pixel Fold in like that porcelain-like color, gold, look. I thought it would be really nice, but in honesty, the natural just doesn't look as good in person. This color right here, no fingerprints, no nothing. It just looks sick. This is a beautiful color. This is just a show and tell. And once again, here it is next to the blue. The blue is actually my second choice this year. I saw the black. I saw all the colors. Actually, all of them look good, but I always rank them. You know what I'm saying? And now that when I saw this one in the store, when I was picking this one up, I tried to get this one, in the same color. They were like, nah, man, we got one in the store that's available, and it's this blue. And I was like, I'll take it. But man, I think this is gonna look better for daily use, because on the blue I can see pretty much every fingerprint on the side, and that's being real petty, but I haven't experienced any chunks and marks and stuff, and it's just a really nice, refreshing color to get this titanium white right here. Man, this is clean in person. If you've never seen it in person, folks, you really need to check it out. I'm telling you, it's that fly. So I told you I have my tempered glass ready to go, so we're gonna go ahead and go put this on real quick, just like I did in the other video. I think I did it with the 15 Pro Max as well. Let's see here. Hold on a second. I wish Apple would introduce pause features on recording for their devices. So here's my tempered glass and Gary Thorne from Whitestone Dome. Shout out to Whitestone Dome for always coming through. All right, you know how I'm doing. I'm going straight on. I ain't really got no reason to clean this up or nothing like that. It's brand new. So I'm gonna get the glass right. I'm gonna get some, I will go ahead and because I see some lint. So I don't want to touch the glass though, because this is fresh out. So I'm gonna see if I can drop this down. Somebody say, Jay, you an expert at doing this. Nah, B, I'm just kind of doing it the best I can, like everybody else. All right, so if it's any lint, lint or dirt up under there, it is what it is. This is a 5-pack. So I pop it down. First thing I do when I get a device, in most cases, is drop a screen protector on there. And this is gonna be one of the ones where it wants to fight me on it. All right, there we go. Look at that joint. Ooh wee. Little bit of lint right there. I see it, but it's all good. I'm not lifting it for that. So I'll go ahead and get that bubble out real quick. And ooh wee, I got the white joint in the house. This titanium white is crazy in person, folks. I know it's just a color, but you know what I'm saying? Like, I like to have a nice looking device out. I don't like to wear cases all the time. And I mean, I'm telling you, I've officially become team no case. I do rock them sometimes, depending on where I'm going. I rock it sometimes, but overall, team no case. So there it is, brand new. Those bubbles will come out later, but here it is right here, man. Oh my gosh, bro, look at this thing. It's crazy. This color is sick. Again, just a show and tell, let you know it's in the place. This is my new joint right here in white. I'm loving it. I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up. And I really, every year, I think I tend to, and you know, the 15 plus is probably gonna be on the horizon too. I'm not sure. But the way they did these new ones with the pros, man, it looks really good. This matte is just crazy right here. Super clear. Gonna go ahead and get this joint set up, charged up. So I appreciate y'all stopping by for another video. Yeah, here we are with the silky team white this time. Oof, this is crazy in person, folks. I can't stress it enough. It's fire. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.